process. And then, result, we found out na something wrong with my ECG. After a week, nakita namin yung result. Okay, and then immediately, pinakita ko sa mga cardiologists, Dr. Tony Diachon and Romel Galvez. Dr. Tony Diachon is my neighbor. And then, he said sa akin, you have to undergo a stress test. Sa stress test, makikita ko anong klaseng puso meron ka. Yung puso mo pala mapagmahal eh. I mean, nakita yung yung scan, there's something wrong. To confirm everything, so kailangan undergo ako ng angiogram, and then na-confirm yun na my arteries is blocked. And then, what happened? I keep on playing. And the last 3 weeks before that examination, I'm doing well. Yeah. But I'm so lucky because the doctor told me na you're a walking bomb. Buti hindi ako nagtaas sa ganyan. So, my friend, Dr. Tony Diachon, he has a team dito sa Manila doctors, na-rate niya lahat, ganyan. Then, all of a sudden, okay, nagkaroon ako ng angioplasty. That was July 7. Imagine, July 5, July 3 and 4, nag-practice ako with San Miguel, and then 4 after ng practice namin, diretso na ako sa hospital. So, nakaprepare na lahat yung gagawin sa akin, ganyan, because there's something wrong na. And I'm confident na it's okay lang, okay. Pero upon revealing nung angiogram, we need to do something, which is angioplasty. It happened Tuesday, July 7, and then July 9, na-release na ako, binigyan na ako ng medical certificate, go to work. But the problem is, the side effect of medicine, nagkaroon na revolution sa tiyan ko. Until now, bloated yung tiyan ko, very uncomfortable. And the worst thing is, nangyayari yung bloating the evening, 11 until the morning. So, andun yung feeling na alam mo kulang ka sa tulog, alam mo puyat ka, pero hindi ka inaantok. And then alam mo gutom ka, pero hindi mo naramdaman na nakulang yung tiyan mo because of bloating, ganyan. And then kita ko sa isang gastroenteritis, ganyan. And then okay naman, it's side effect of the gamot yan. I'm just taking my time to eliminate that. It will take 3 to 4 weeks. And then actually, first game, I thought ako mag-coach na eh. But, buti na lang, ando si Boss Robert. No, you have to take a rest. Dahil, nakarelate siya dahil he experienced that also eh. So, hindi kanya kahirap. Which is right, pasalamat ako sa kanya. And then, kina-coach ganyan, binigyan ng time to rest, ganyan. Kaya, I'm so grateful with them, And, ayun, it's a matter of a few games before go back to approach.
Pero as of now, fit to work ka ba o hindi pa? Kailangan mo pa
Yeah, except yung kulang sa tulog, ganyan. I cannot focus on my game plan, practice plan, because I'm after that's the effect eh. Pero once na-eliminate ko na yun, I think I'll be back. Regarding sa my heart, ayun, wala nang problema eh. It's a maintenance na lang. Yun ang
Pero nung advice ng doktor sa'yo, kailangan okay lang mag-coach ka pa rin.
Yeah, right. Kaya nga binigyan ako ng medical certificate. Right after they release me from the hospital, coach, you can start walking. Slowly, gradually, until you get to another playing time sa mga pick-up game, ganyan. Pero for the meantime, so I have to be focused on sa walking and then sleeping ko, yun ang problema eh. It could affect eh. Dahil sabi ko nga, worst thing eh, every 11 in the evening, doon pumapasok yung nakakagulat eh. Hindi ka makagalaw eh. Ganyan eh. Bawat galaw mo 1 o'clock in the morning, tatayo ako, mag-walking ako para mag-celebrate.
hindi ka ba, may serious yung condition ngayon, coach, eh? Hindi ka ba, medyo yung future mo ba sa coach, hindi ba delikado dahil sa sitwasyon na yun?
According to the doctor, parang, ano, parang ano ka na-tune up ka sa kotse, ganyan. And then, said, oh, you can go back to work, ganyan. Siyempre, of course, merong psychological effect yun dahil I found out na ganun paliwan yung plastic o ganyan. Pero, mas mahirap yung bypass. It will take a lot of time. Okay, ganyan. Pero, ayun, kaya I'm confident na I can go back. Just a matter of time, kailangan ko magabalik na 100%. Ayun.
Coach, grabe naman yung